All right.
Hi. Today we're learning the barrel roll. So you got some music for me, Cav, and I'll try to show it first.
All right, I'll cue it up. Let's go.
Okay, let's give it a go.
East Point. Old National got the skanks. Everybody.
Yeah.
So that is what is called the barrel roll. I'm not very good at it yet, but I'm learning it. And as usual, when Kev and I are learning something, we like to share how we've been learning it. So I would say that the barrel roll is like downtown, the move downtown in a circle, like turning in a circle right to the back, like whichever way you more naturally turn to the back, kind of. If you don't know how to do the downtown, I did a video about that, and I'll put that down in the description below. The downtown is basically where you're going sideways, pulling one foot in front, step out, step behind, out. So like if I'm moving to the left, for example, I'm gonna pull the right foot in front, step out left, step behind right, step out left, right? Or if I'm going to the right, I'm going to go pull the left in front, step out right, step behind left, step out right. So that would be downtown. Now this is basically just like downtown in a circle. Okay, so one thing that might help with this would be being able to do dips. I did a video about dips as well, because when you're doing dips, you're like moving in a circle, like to the back, or you know, the other way, you know, round. So you figure out which way you like it. You turn more naturally. I'm sorry, there's something, all these like palm tree things. Anyway, they freak me out because they're like little seeds and they work, whatever. Anyways, my point is, so the downtown, and then the dips are kind of like, or just being able to move in circles to the back. You don't have to do dips, but whatever. Like they're kind of like the two skills that go together with this, to make barrel roll. And if you can get good at barrel roll, it's really fluid. And so you noticed I was doing it to a slow song, because I'm still doing this pretty slow. I'm still learning it. But basically what I figured out is there's also this kind of little bounce. So you know, you kind of bounce from side to side, where you kind of pull one skate in while you push the other one out, and you put the weight more on the one that you pulled in, and then you switch. So you're kind of constantly shifting your weight like that.
I see.
Like you can just do that in place, because like a lot of the move is sort of built off that. Because then I first learned to do it to the right, because it's easier for me to the right. So pick which side works better for you. But to do it to the right from this sort of movement, all I would do would be like from here, pull the right skate back, bring the left in front, step the right out, step the left behind. See how I'm turning? And then step out again and pull with the front. So you see how it's a constant repeating pattern? I'll try that again. So I'm pulling the right behind, sweeping the left in front, step the right out. See how I'm already turning? Step the left behind, I'm turning more. Step the right out, pull the left in front, and keep going. So it's always a constant pull in front, step out, step behind, push, pull in front, and your head and shoulders keep turning as you continue to generate that motion until you decide to stop. Just kind of those toes out, sort of like stop position. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it's neat how you go back and forth, you know, from right to left. It's fun. It looks like,
yeah, and then doing it to the left.
it's like a momentum.
For me, yeah, you can. It's a constant, like it's like a constant energy. Like if you can just keep going and going and going. But to the left for me was a bit more tricky. So again, to the left, I'm gonna pull my left under, my right in front, step the left out, right behind, push the left out, pull the left behind, push the right in front, step, step. See how you're like in a constant circle around yourself? And it's all built on that front, and then back. So it pulls in front and then behind. So I'm going to pull my right foot in front, step the left foot out, step the right foot behind, push and pull again. So there's that constant weight transfer.
You're right, and your shoulders and head just are constantly rotating around slowly
Yes.
as you're doing it. Yeah, it's cool looking.
I mean, you know, like I say, I'm still doing this quite slow. That's why I recommend choose a slower songs to practice to, with slower rhythm, to really get this locked in to like the pattern of it. Because once you understand it, you can connect it to other moves and you can change direction. For me, at first, I learned to the right. So learning to the left was a bit more of a challenge. But again, that what I talked about where you're shifting your weight, like as you pull one skate under, you push the other one out, and you're putting more weight on that skate underneath of you, and then shift the other way. And you're kind of leaning a little bit. Like the more that I practice that, the more comfortable I feel with the, we're gonna sweep under, sweep in front, step out, step behind, turn, push, sweep in front, step out, step behind, push, and you just keep going and going and going until you make yourself like stop. This sort of thing. That's the kind of the stopping pose, like where it's again almost like a push pull, and then from here go left. So we're gonna pull the left under, pull the right in front, step the left out. I'm already turning. Step the right behind, push and turn on that left, pull the left back, right in front, step the left out, right behind. And if I keep going, eventually I'll just keep going and going and going and going. And again, it does help, you know, to kind of bend your knees more and really lead with your head and shoulders, obviously. So, because you are moving in a circle to the back. So, you know, looking where you're going, and also making sure you don't have weird, you know, seeds or things on the ground to trip over is important as well. But anyways, I'm obviously learning this, having fun with it, and I would like to hear if you have any tips for the barrel roll, or if you're also learning it or have any questions, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.